Hey, it's Chris again from C&H Auto Accessories. As you know, I did a video saying don't buy the factory running boards from Toyota for your Tacoma. And I got a truck here that's absolutely cool as hell, nicely lifted, nice wheels, fender flares. We did the cover on it, but we didn't do those. This is not from us. Actually, who makes these running boards is Iron Cross, who's a great company. But as you can see, why do I not like these? Why am I constantly complaining about these? Well, he did a nice lift. We all want to lift our trucks, right? Oh, sorry about that. I want to show you the problem with these, which you can visually see right now. Okay, I'm going to get in this truck. All right, let's see if I can do this gracefully. I don't know, but you can get a good laugh. You're welcome to laugh about what you're going to see here. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm now getting in the truck. All right. Now, you got one cool looking truck here. I am not looking too cool getting in and out. Why do I not like these running boards? They sit too high. They're not a real step. I mean, they're practically already lined up with the door jamb. You know, the whole idea about a step bar is to step into the vehicle. When they sit like this, you're not, I mean, of course, take a good look at this. I have to get out of this. Can you see the distance between me and the bottom here? And this is not a gigantic lift. This is a small lift. I mean, look at this. Now imagine someone who's not as tall as me. I'm 6 foot tall, you know, some kid or your wife. This is a real problem. I don't like these running boards from Toyota because they sit too high. You gotta get a step bar that's gonna be a true step. Something down here, something with a step down. You know what works terrific on this type of setup? Amp Research power boards. They come down right about there. So you have a true step. And I love those things. There's a Go Rhino, N-Fabs, Weston. There's quite a few brands that work terrific with this type of truck. But this is a perfect example when I did my last video why I say don't buy running boards from Toyota. Because he went and lifted it, which is what we all gonna do with our trucks, or at least most of us. Now it's a pain. Now they look good. They do match the truck very nice. Iron Cross makes a wonderful product. Not for this truck. The Tundras, big full-size trucks, they're just fine. They just sit too high. Again, this is Chris giving you a public announcement, letting you know.
Basically, if a step is higher than your knee, it's not gonna work. Look where his knee is. Look where that step is. It's not gonna work.
It's not a step.
It's gonna cause you more headaches than being helpful. Okay, and that's the biggest thing.
I'm gonna do a running jump. All right, ready?
I mean, look how much he has to move his leg to get up there.
All right. Okay.
Do you want to be doing that in a parking lot?
You don't look cool doing that.
Yeah. And I tried getting in this truck earlier without the step, and it's worse than the Jeep Wrangler step over.
Oh, yeah.
It is a huge step over because it sticks out good 4 or 5 inches. So now you're stepping over it because it's more of a pain to use it.
Now, this is a great truck. I love this truck. I love what he's
cool
doing.
Color, cool wheels.
Everything is great. I mean, the only thing wrong with it is something he didn't do. He did everything but those. That is what came with the truck. And that's the only complaint I have. The customer has been doing nothing but right things for this truck, but this. And it's not his fault because, you know, you go to Toyota, they keep sticking those suckers on there, and you're like, oh, that's $800, $900. And they are not that good. I mean, quality-wise, they're fine, but they're sitting too high. Make them take them off. Come see us. Get the right one, and you won't be dealing with what we're dealing with here.
Now, guys, what we're saying is when you're doing this and you're signing that deal and this is your brand new truck, you can tell the dealer, you have that power. Tell the dealer, say, I don't want those steps, I'm not paying for it. Say, give me a check back. Have them overwrite your deal. Have them give you a check back from the dealership and say, I'm going to C&H because I'm going to get a set of Amp Research, because that dealership is going to charge way more for those than you would ever pay even in our store for them. Well, so put that money towards the amps that are going to look right.
The amps are the best. I mean, I love, if you got to lift the truck, that's the way to go. Again, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and the voice you heard was Dave.
Hi, I'm here too. I'm just helping, but guys, seriously, ask your dealer to overwrite your loan when you're doing it, because you're getting a good interest rate. And that's how you can get the nice amp steps to put on this truck. And then we're not making a video saying, look at what happened to you.
That's right. And the problem is this guy's stepping in and out of this, and he's probably saying, damn, this kind of sucks. And don't let that happen to you. Again, it's Chris, it's C&H Auto Accessories, and Dave and I are checking off.